Welcome to Prime Auto Insights, your go-to channel for everything fast, powerful, and thrilling on four wheels. Today, we're counting down the top 5 most powerful muscle cars of 2025, and trust me, these beasts are absolute monsters. With raw horsepower, brutal acceleration, and aggressive styling, these machines define American muscle. Whether you love supercharged V8s or cutting-edge performance technology, this list has something for every muscle car enthusiast. If you love high-performance cars and want daily deep dives into the best machines on the road, consider subscribing. It's free, and it keeps you updated with the latest and greatest from the world of muscle cars. At number 5, the 2025 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye Final Edition. For those who love old-school muscle, the Dodge Challenger Hellcat Redeye Final Edition is the ultimate send-off for gas-powered muscle cars. Dodge is saying goodbye to the Hellcat lineup, but not before unleashing one final beast. This version packs the supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8, pushing out a monstrous 807 horsepower and 707 pound-feet of torque. The design remains classic but more aggressive than ever, featuring wider fenders, an oversized hood scoop, and menacing LED headlights. Its 0 to 60 mph time is around 3.4 seconds, and with drag radials, it can dominate the quarter mile in just over 10 seconds. For those who want to experience pure muscle car madness before everything goes electric, this is Dodge's final gift to the enthusiasts. It's loud, it's brutal, and it's one of the most powerful Challengers ever made. At number 4, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. Some say the Corvette isn't a muscle car, but with its American 5.8 and jaw-dropping power, it deserves a spot on this list. The 2025 Z06 is one of the most track-focused Corvettes ever built, featuring a 5.5-liter naturally aspirated flat-plane crank V8, producing 670 horsepower at a screaming 8,400 RPM. What makes this vet special is its ability to blend insane power with precision handling. It's got a mid-engine layout, aggressive aerodynamics, and an advanced suspension system, making it a supercar killer. With a 0 to 60 mph time of just 2.6 seconds, this is one of the quickest American cars ever built. The Z06 is all about balance, giving drivers the thrill of a high-revving, naturally aspirated V8 with razor-sharp control. If you want American muscle with track performance, this is one of the best options out there. At number 3, the 2025 Dodge Demon 170. If you thought Dodge was done after the Hellcat, think again. The Demon 170 is a straight-up drag strip monster, engineered to dominate quarter-mile times like nothing else on the road. Under the hood is a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8, tuned to an unbelievable 1,025 horsepower and 945 pound-feet of torque when running on E85 fuel. That makes it the most powerful gas-powered muscle car ever built. This beast launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a ridiculous 1.66 seconds, making it the quickest production muscle car ever. The quarter mile, it does it in under 9 seconds at over 150 miles per hour. Dodge designed the Demon 170 for one purpose: to be the ultimate street-legal dragster. If you want insane power with record-breaking performance, this is the muscle car for you. At number 2, the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Ford's Shelby GT500 has always been a muscle car icon, and the 2025 version takes things to the next level. It's powered by a supercharged 5.2-liter Predator V8, now tuned to deliver 800-plus horsepower. What makes the GT500 different from other muscle cars is its balance of brutal straight-line speed and track-ready handling. It comes equipped with aero enhancements, massive Brembo brakes, and an advanced suspension system, making it a true performance machine. With a 0 to 60 mph time of 3.2 seconds and a top speed north of 190 miles per hour, this is one of the most capable Mustangs Ford has ever built. Whether you want to dominate the track or the drag strip, the GT500 is a serious contender. At number 1, the 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona SRT Banshee. Now, I know what you're thinking, an electric muscle car at number 1. But hear me out. The Dodge Charger Daytona SRT Banshee isn't just another EV, it's Dodge's way of proving that muscle cars can evolve without losing their soul. With an 800 volts electric powertrain, The Banshee produces over 885 horsepower, making it the most powerful Charger ever. It's faster than a Hellcat, accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, and features Dodge's first ever all-wheel drive system for insane grip. And Dodge knows muscle car fans love loud, aggressive sounds, so they've created the Fratzonic chambered exhaust, an artificial system that makes this electric Charger sound just as mean as a gas-powered V8. The Banshee is Dodge's vision of the future, proving that muscle cars don't have to die, they just have to evolve. Whether you love classic V8 power or cutting-edge EV performance, this car is setting the standard for what muscle cars will become in the next decade. So, what do you think? Would you go for the final gas-powered monsters like the Hellcat, Demon 170, and GT500, or are you excited about the future of electric muscle with the Daytona SRT Banshee? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the most powerful muscle cars of 2025, stick around, more high-performance content is on the way.